Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and when you have your boot options visible, you want to hold the power off. When you do so, it will then change into reboot to safe mode with a quick message: do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Gonna click on OK. And this will start the reboot. And like the message stated, once the device boots back up, it will then be in safe mode. Now, to go a little bit further into this mode, it is primarily designed for troubleshooting your device. So if maybe you have installed some kind of application, malicious one, that is causing you problems and you can't resolve those problems normally, you could boot your device into safe mode, and this will basically completely turn off the application, terminate it, so it cannot start itself, nor will you be able to start it up, and therefore it shouldn't be able to cause you any more problems. And from there you can, for instance, remove it. Now in here we should have, I guess, no applications that we can't access. So typically you might see applications that are grayed out and just monochrome color. It looks like here they might be just removed. I don't recall if there was an upload right here or not. So depending if there was one or not, it might completely hide them, or it might still gray them out, but none of these applications might be affected. I'm not sure. But you can see that, for instance, widgets don't work, and if you try to open them up, it says widget disabled in safe mode, and you would see the same thing when it comes down to applications if you have them grayed out and you try to open them up. Now, to put your device back into normal mode, all you would need to do is hold your power button once more, and this time around simply select restart right over here. The device will boot up or reboot and automatically go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.